In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the screenshot frequency in Hubstaff. If you're managing a team and want to adjust how often screenshots are taken to better fit your workflow, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to access the Hubstaff application. Once you've logged into your account, you're on your way. The first action you need to take is to locate and click on the Activity option. You can usually find this on the main toolbar or dashboard once you have logged in. This section provides an overview of all activities tracked within your organization, a handy area for monitoring team productivity. After you've navigated to the Activity section, your next step is to click on Screenshots. This option can again be found in the toolbar or menu within the Activity page. The Screenshots section allows you to view the screenshot logs and settings, giving you insight into the snapshots taken during work sessions. Once you're inside the Screenshots section, the following step is to click on Settings. The Settings page is where you'll be able to customize various features and options related to screenshots, which is crucial for tailoring the software to meet your specific needs. Within the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Screenshot Frequency. Here is where you'll be able to specify how often Hubstaff should take screenshots. Adjusting this frequency can be particularly useful if you want to balance between monitoring activity and giving team members adequate privacy. After locating the Screenshot Frequency section, simply click on it to access the settings. At this point, you'll see several options displayed that allow you to adjust the rate at which screenshots are captured. It's important to carefully choose a frequency setting that supports your team's workflow requirements. Specifically, you'll want to select an option other than None, as this would disable the screenshot feature entirely, which might not be ideal for tracking productivity. Keep in mind, selecting the best screenshot frequency for your team can offer a combination of effective monitoring while maintaining team trust and motivation. You might choose more frequent screenshots for high security projects or rare screenshots for teams that require more autonomy. Once you have selected your preferred screenshot frequency from the available options, make sure to save any changes you've made before exiting the settings menu. This ensures that your preferences are